Hello everyone, Cliff here in the shed. We're still on lockdown, but the nice man called Moises from Parcel Force, he's still working, and I've got a new addition to the workshop, which I personally am quite excited about. This is the outer cover. The gross weight is 23 kilos. And this is it. Heavy old lump. Do you know what it is yet? Not much of a Rolf Harris impersonation, and he's probably not that popular at the moment, is he? Probably politically incorrect at the moment. And there it is. I've finally bought myself a surface plate. It even comes with a test report. This is a real proper surface plate from Rotagrip. Wasn't very expensive, and this says the test report, diagonal method, flat plate. It's 305mm by 229mm. Graduation in thousandths of a millimetre per metre. So the results of the parallel surface is 2.1 micrometers, grade 00, which is going to be more than good enough for me. Right, so I'm guessing this is the top. There's no name plates or anything like that on it. It's heavy old lump. Oh yeah, that's definitely the top. Well, it's a relatively small one. A foot by 9 inches, but plenty big enough for what I want, I think. I'm going to get some white vinegar and clean it. I've never even owned a surface plate. I always wanted one. Look at the shit that was on it. There's a lot of blue stuff on it, so I presume that's where they tested it or something. Give that another go. Looks better when it's wet. Still loads of shit coming off it. I better give that another go. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick this up. I've got me gauge on here, and over to me moving that about. I mean, as far as my measuring equipment goes, this is absolutely perfect. I can't measure this down to thousandths of a millimetre, and I wouldn't want to, because I don't go that far. But if I spin that round, you'll have to take my word for it. That's pretty perfect. So I'm well pleased with it. That's not where it's going to finally live. I've got a little spot over the around the corner there where I got a light and that I can use to mark stuff up. Handy that it come in this little box thing. I think I'll just keep it on that and keep that for a cover. The box has got a bit of polystyrene in the top there, so I was going to make a little cover for it, but that's going to work fine. So it's just a quick video. Just thought I'd show you that. I actually bought it from Rotor-Grip, £53 something. It was 40. It was about 50 quid anyway. Can't remember exactly how much. Which I think is pretty good. I don't know whether this test report is anything. I'd love to see another one, just in case they're all exactly the same. But that shows it's the points at which they're supposedly measure it. It's zeros in the corners, and it's got a slight bump in it, but that slight bump is 2.1 thousandths of a millimetre, and that puts it into a grade 00 according to this. It's not signed or anything this, so I'm guessing this goes in all the boxes, but with my 100th of a millimetre gauge I can't see any movement in it at all, so I'm well happy with it. Right, I'm just waiting for a bit of metal to turn up now for to get on with the sharpening thing. I'll do another video on that when I get on with it, when I finally figure out how I'm going to make it. Right, I'm off now then. I'm going to put this where it's going to live and have a bit of a sort out and carry on playing in my shed. Bye for now. See you again in the next one.